Children, first listen to my instructions. Now you have to say a sentence in present continuous tense. Only in present continuous tense. That is ongoing works. Okay? At present, what is happening? Okay, let us start. Uh, Tell me a sentence. Who will respond first? Yes.
Shivani is watching TV.
Jeevani is watching TV, right?
They are shouting in the classroom.
They are shouting in the classroom. Next. Yes.
We are doing work.
We are doing work. Yes.
Harini
Babit.
is singing.
Harini is singing. Okay. Next. Yes. My mother is cooking food. Mother always cooks food. No other work. Okay. Right. Yes, Bharat.
My sister is laughing.
My sister is laughing. Excellent. Next. Yes.
We are going America.
We are
Going America.
going to.
Going to America.
Yes, you can go. Next.
He is buying bicycles.
He is buying bicycles. Good.
Jasmine is looking TV.
Yes, watching TV. Right. Yes. My father is eating food. Good. Reading books. Good. Yes, Vishnu.
Narendra is eating biryani.
Yes. Narendra is. Yes.
We are eating.
We are eating food. Any sentence?
We are drinking.
We are drinking water. Good. I am going to school.
Next are reading books.
Dakshita reading books. Yes. Yes. I am speaking English. Prashant. She is drinking water. Yes. Bharat is drinking milk. Yeah.
We are playing volleyball.
We are playing volleyball. Yes.
Parmeshwari is asking a question.
Asking a question. Good. Yes.
Girisha is listening a lesson.
Listening a lesson. Right.
I am going to school.
I am going to school. Mm.
They are playing throwball.
They are playing. Yes. Throw ball. Bharat.
Karthik is playing cricket.
Karthik is playing cricket. I want answers from all the students. Yes, your wing. I am going to tour. Right. Yes.
Narendra is seeing books.
Reading books. Okay, seeing. Yes. Purushottam is eating food. Lokesh.
TV is running.
TV is running. Masan. A boy is running. Good.
School is running.
School is running. Yes.
Lokesh is playing kabaddi.
Kabaddi. Yeah. Yes. I am reading English. Yes, Likita. We are drinking water. Swati is writing a story. What do you say?
Sister is cooking many dishes.
Okay, my sister is cooking many dishes. Right. Do you like your sister dishes? Yes.
Windows are opening.
Huh?
Windows are opening.
Opening. Good. Yes, sir.
Elephants are walking on the forest.
Yes, walking in the forest. Right. Lokesh.
Sun is laughing.
Mastan is laughing. Why are you laughing, Mastan? Next. Next.
TV is opening.
Yes. Yes. Purushottam is eating. Very good. Yes, Babita. Reading English. Good. Okay, enough. Claps.